Alright, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to split the wheel. So once the 4 bolts are out, the wheel splits in half. You're going to pop your bearings out. Just use a rod. Now this bushing is acting as a double bearing. Once the wheel is split, you're going to want to check this side for any kind of burrs or obstructions. Just take a piece of sandpaper if necessary. You're going to take the bushing, slip it in from this side. Your wheel may or may not need to be tapped in, your bushing. If it does, use a rubber mallet. Line up these little nipples here. You know the bushing's in the right place when it just extends past this hub. And you're going to want to use your existing stainless steel bushing. Slide that in there, and now you can put the wheel back on.